What is the coolest dApp on NFTs on Solana? Is it Tensor or Magic Eden? I don't think so. It's 100% Drip. Everybody should be using Drip. This here is Drip's Twitter. Drip House, and this is the website. You need 0.1 Sol in order to actually sign up. But it doesn't cost you. It just wants to make sure that you're not a bot. Every day click on the treasure chest. This is your chance to get a legendary lock.in. I'll just be getting common. With Drip there's 100 of artists. If you find an artist that you like, you can thank them with your droplets. We've got quite a few droplets with validator.com. So let's be a little bit generous. By giving droplets, you may be eligible for ultimate art. Or potentially legendary. When you subscribe to a creator, you still need to actually accept the art. So if you like it, you have to click secure. Pay the 10 droplets and then the art becomes yours. We don't know about the future. But in the past, people that use Drip, they got an airdrop off DYM. This ended up being worth hundreds of dollars. But regardless of all that, supporting artists, collecting arts, that's a major use case for the blockchain, and it's so cheap you can either do it for free or for a very small amount, so go use Drip.